Okay, here we have a 2011 Infiniti FX35. This is a graphite exterior color, 3.5 liter V6 engine. It does have 18-inch aluminum wheels, beautiful tint job, window guards. Also has a roof rack rails for your travels. This is a dual exhaust, and it does have an electronic lift gate, cargo net, and these back seats do fold down for extra storage. And the inside is beautiful black leather. This does have a backup camera, Bluetooth, navigation, nice big display screen. It has heated mirrors, heated seats, Infiniti logo, sunroof. Overall, this car is in excellent shape. Leather's in great condition.